Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Roberto Rodriguez, and this is Detail Culture. And today I want to talk about something a little bit different from detailing, but it's still for detailing, and that's cameras. So let's get into the video. Alright, so this is my camera. It's a Sony ZV-E10, and I did upgrade it to a 15mm G lens right here. This is my lens for like making my YouTube videos, kind of getting a wide angle. And you can see here the screen, it pops out, and then you can also turn it, doing highs, oh, my bad, highs, lows, whatever you're trying to do, adjust it. Then you also have here some ports. This is my little peak design thing in the way. So you get like a charger, you got a micro HDMI, got a headphone jack in there, and then you have an audio jack, so I can put a mic on here if I wanted to. Even though this does come with a mic, that's what I'm using now, but I'm gonna upgrade that as well. Also got a little tripod. I got a small rig kind of case to give me more, so I can screw in right there and have it sit like this on the tripod. You get more room, more mounting holes. Another shoe mount, and also have a, I think it was it called, loop cube light. So if I'm doing interior work, taking pictures of that, I can turn that on, get some light. This thing comes off. It's a diffuser. If you want a brighter light, just throw that off. Take that off. My bad. And then also, I'll post a link of stuff that you can probably get for like detailing. It's just kind of basic stuff. And this is the kit lens that come with it. It's okay, but I wanted something a little bit better. That's why I upgraded to this guy right here. So, and then also on the buttons, you got video, picture, S and Q stands for slow and quick, on and off, record button, focus button, or not focus, defocus button or whatever, a zoom rocker, and then you got your other buttons right here. It's kind of basic, but it'll get the job done. Oh shit. So that's it. So why would you invest in a camera for detailing? Well, that's easy. It's like the icing on the cake, honestly. Because everybody knows detailing is about how well a car can look. You know what I'm saying? So from having an interior look almost brand new again, or having that paint looking almost brand new again. Super shiny, super glossy, you know what I'm saying? So all that hard work you put in to doing that, why not spend an extra couple dollars to invest in a camera to take a better picture quality of your work? You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, you can have that for your business page. You can have that for your social media. Obviously YouTube. That's why I got it for too as well. And to make a better video, to make better photos. And so that people will be more drawn into that. So if you have a really nice, paint corrected car with some coating, a real nice coating on it, and you just take it with a nice camera, it's really gonna put the cherry on the top to really enhance that picture. And when you see like a nice car like that, you're gonna be drawn to that, or someone's gonna see that, like that car, whatever car you're doing, that person, other customer could have that same exact car, someone very close, and they want to be like, you know what, I want that to be my car next. You know what I'm saying? So they'll hit you up. I mean, if you think of it this way, like I've been to Chicago Auto Pros, I've been to Esoteric, and both those places are very successful detailing shops, and also both those places have camera people on crew, like on staff. So every day they come in, take pictures, make videos, whatever, and that's their job. So if these guys are paying these people to do that stuff, why not invest in your camera? Invest in yourself. You know what I'm saying? So, and what I mean by that is like, with detailing, comes marketing, comes everything else, sales and all that stuff. You pretty much have to learn to be successful. But like me in my position where I'm at, so I still detail on weekends, and then I'll have a full-time job. And in the summer or in the winter, I shut down because I live in a rental, and I have no heat or no air conditioning. I can definitely put some heat in there, like a turbo fan or something like that. But then again, working 7 days a week from, the end of March to the beginning of like October, that's you know, it wears you out. So I like to take those times off just to, you know, have my weekends back, spend more time with my family and stuff like that. So with that being said, now I can work on maybe learning how to take photography, make videos with this camera, and learn a bunch of other stuff that can go in the business, you know, because, you know, with detailing, you want to get your stuff out there. You want to, you know, have the best quality. If that's what you're looking for in detailing, is your quality, and to get better sales, people who are willing to pay what you're asking for, stuff like that, you know, they're going to want, you know, the better service, stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? If you look at my detailing wise video, I explain a little more about that, but with this, you can have way better picture quality or video quality, whatever you're trying to do. So definitely a good investment. Okay, so I know what probably you're thinking, like, you know, investing in camera, it's a whole lot of money you got invested in and stuff like that, but you can always add that in your cost. So let's say if I add, let's say my camera, this camera right here, the Sony ZV-E10 at the time, it was $800, and then I think it was like 40 some dollars with tax. So let's say $850. So if we work, let's say 20 cars a month, and we go by half a year, right? 6 months. So that's like 120 cars, right? So let's take 850 divided by 120. So that will be an additional $7.08 per car that you do, which isn't that much, you know what I'm saying? Or if you want to go by year, just divide that in half. You're gonna charge an additional $3.54 per car. So it's really not that much to add on to your services, you know, whatever you're doing. And that's one thing they taught me about Chicago Auto Pros when I took the business classes. It's like, if you want something, you can always add that into your cost, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? If it's benefiting your detailing company, add that into your cost. You know what I'm saying? So it's really not that much. And I'll have some links down below of the camera I have and the lenses I got, and, you know, and tripods, lights, and stuff like that. Little things that you probably should get if you're going to have a camera. So it's really not that bad. And if you're new to detailing, my suggestion is, you know, focus on getting everything you need. Like, I already have my polishers, I have my extractors, I got pretty much all the chemicals and everything I'm going to need, you know, fans and lights and, you know, stuff like that, tornadors, air compressors, toolboxes, whatever I need. I have all that stuff already. So I figure, you know, I'll invest in a camera as next thing you know, for me, I should do. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to do that, you don't have to do that. It's totally optional. Some people are totally fine just using their phone to make content and share on the social media and stuff like that. But I've just been watching other detailers, and they don't really mention this type of stuff, you know, to you. And so I figured, you know, I'll mention it. Fuck it. So, and I hope you guys like this video, and hopefully you guys like it. Share it, subscribe, please, to help the channel grow. And I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all take care.